Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear friends. How have you been? I hope that you have been great. I think you are bright and breezy. I'm also bright and shiny today. My dear cameraman, could you please stand over there? Yes, on the wall. Right now, I am here in a beautiful place to show you the beauty of nature as well as to speak in English. This is Mehdi Hassan, a dedicated English content creator in Bangladesh who is trying to help you learn English easily, effectively, and confidently. English is an easy language. Every day, whatever you are doing, whatever you are eating, wherever you are, you have to practice your spoken English. Think in English if you are an intermediate learner. But if you are the beginner, you have to translate your mother language to English. By the way, Aswar Azan, afternoon call to prayer. A call to prayer is being proclaimed. That's why I'm going to stop making videos. Okay? So Aswar Azan হচ্ছে আমি এই মুহূর্তে ভিডিও করছি না